Hey there. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting airdrop opportunity you don't want to miss, the FREEDOGS token. There's an upcoming airdrop event, and we've got all the details on how you can connect your wallet, complete tasks, and get a slice of the rewards pie. Let's break it all down so you can maximize your potential profit. First things first, make sure you connect your wallet. If you haven't done it yet, it's time to act fast. According to the official FREEDOGS team, linking your wallet is crucial to qualify for the airdrop. Here's what you need to do. Connect your OKX wallet. This is the first task. It's simple. Just log in, link your wallet, and you're good to go. Complete in-app quests. You might notice some new quests popping up, like playing games or completing additional tasks. These are fun ways to boost your eligibility for the airdrop. Stay updated on promotions. Many of you have asked what the TON promotion offers. To clarify, it gives you 10,000 taps. You can keep repeating tasks and transactions to earn more taps. While this isn't mandatory, it's a great way to stack up on tokens before the big airdrop. Now, some of you have been asking about the FREEDOGS token itself. Here's what we know. FREEDOGS is already listed in the pre-market, and while the price may seem low at the moment, this is normal for new tokens. Given that millions of people are expected to participate in this airdrop, there's potential for huge gains. If you've been part of these types of events before, you know how fast things can change once the token is listed. Keep an eye on the official FREEDOGS Twitter and Telegram channels for updates on the listing. Although no specific date has been announced yet, there's a lot of buzz around the launch, and we expect the listing to be just around the corner. Here's the key. Stay connected to the official channels. The FREEDOGS team has been releasing updates and even dropped hints about the token's listing coming soon. If you haven't connected your wallet yet, don't wait any longer. They've already delayed the listing a couple of times, but now it seems like everything is on track. They've even announced that the listing is likely to happen this month. However, if you don't connect your wallet and complete the tasks, you might miss out. So, take advantage of this window of opportunity while you can. As soon as the listing date is announced, I'll be dropping a fresh video update here on the Profit Quests channel. We'll go over everything you need to know, from how to sell your tokens to what strategies you can use to maximize your returns. In the meantime, keep collecting those taps, complete your tasks, and stay tuned for more updates from the FREEDOGS team. This airdrop could be a huge win for those of you who get in early and stay active. Remember, in the world of crypto, timing is everything. By completing the steps now, you're setting yourself up for potential gains once FREEDOGS hits the market. So, go ahead, link your wallet, and get ready for the next phase. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay on the hunt for profit.